Okay, so hello guys. Today we're gonna be doing basically an unboxing video. Oh my god, I'm laggy. But anyways, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video to just see if I can get. Oh my god, I met my twin. Please don't kill me, twin. No, don't leave me. You're not leaving me. You're not. You're not. No, you're not leaving. No, twin, don't leave me. Whatever. You betrayed my kind. Anyways, so yeah, let's get started. This is gonna be a long video. You already know. Oh, wait, which one did I want to get again? The Revolver. We want to get the Revolver. Please. I don't want a filtrator. I want a Revolver. Just please. Just give me it. Oh my god. Well, we're gonna go out to see what's happening outside. My laggies. Okay. That person could just have fun with that other person, but no. Nah, not her wall camping. Imagine if the sheriff just comes behind her and just shoots her. Yes, I'm Billy. I'm the famous Billy. Well, we all want it back. But anyway, okay. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Please, give me. How do I get these? Wait, how do I get out of this screen? Please, get out. Oh god, I think I have to reset. Oh my god, oh no. Oh, it was right there. Okay. Not her. Oh my god. Sorry if you hear background noises. My little brother is just over there chilling with his toys. So yeah, let's get back to unboxing. Just give me the Revolver. Please, just give me it. At this point, I have a bunch of other stuff that are not revolvers. Please, just give me it. I do not want cheddar. I do not want engraved. I do not want that. Anyways, let's see what we get. Of course, innocent, like always, not surprised. Anyways, time to hide, and I can't even. Why would? I asked too much questions. I'm just gonna slide. No, we able to say me. But anyways, I can see why. Oh shit. Okay, let's get back to trying to get the Revolver. Pretty sure I have almost everything. I have everything in this box. Yes, even the juice. I don't know why it doesn't say that I own it. Except the Revolver. Oh my god. Just give me it. Oh my god. Please. Okay, I'm gonna quit for now. Okay. We're going out with my leg. I'm ready to get killed, of course. Oh my god, my leg. Oh my god. Oh my god, my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi. Oh. Well, that's very good. I just got killed. What is How old are you? How old are you? Oh yes, this makes so much sense, you know, guys. Like, just so much sense. Anyways, don't mind my very pro cheese gun just hanging with my... I don't even know what type that is. What is it? Goes... Tower Builders. Okay. I don't even know how to... Okay. Okay. Why? I feel like it's not even showing, what's it called? A revolver. Like, I haven't seen one. No? But anyways. Engraved. Hi! Murder Mystery 2. Ice. Bro. Deep Sea. Graffiti. How old are you? Hi! Oh, yes. I love chats. How did I just... Not even... Why did I do that? Girl, what the hell? This is way too... But anyways. How many stuff do I have in my inventory by now? Oh my god. Oh my god. See, I told you I had to choose one. I have everything except freaking Revolver. This is taking way too long to get one freaking weapon. See, it's not even... Yes! Yes! Don't tell me my screen is... It's glitching. Great. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna join a new server because it's glitching for me right now. So... Okay. So I'm back in a new server. Huh? Wait, can I just... Oh, this is great. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Oh, yes. Anyways. I'm Revolver, and I'm happy. I think if it doesn't fit well, I would just be wasting my time. Just tell me if it's... Oh, it does. It looks quite nice. Okay. So we got it. Oh, my friend just joined. That's great. Oh, I'm gonna show off. Never mind, I don't want to show off. Cutely. Oh my god. Oh my. I know. You're gonna lose. Oh, we're all spitting out positive vibes. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna be looking at him right here like, nah, you don't recognize. I just realized he had shorts. I don't have shorts. Anyway, wait, am I facing this side or this side? I honestly always get confused. Oh no, because my mood is more outwards. And then there's this. Okay, I'm pretty happy with my accomplishment of getting the Revolver. Like, it matches pretty well, because I can't like spend any more Robux. I'm too broke. Wait, can I jump up there? Let me try. I think I'm gonna have to like. Give me 1 sec. Oh my god, no! Bro, leave my cousin alone. Oh nah, there's beef. Oh, this fact is the beef. Bakers or beef. What's the other one? 1, 2, 3, Mason. Where's it? Oh, they dressed up as Draco. Okay. Okay, he said hi. I'm gonna say, what's up, y'all? I'm gonna inform him that I'm recording so he doesn't do anything weird. He's very weird. Like, he didn't need to know that. Recording. Hold Felipe. Oh, his little brother is gonna be joining. Oh, that's great. He's a noob. But anyways, I swear, one person's gonna start stabbing, aren't they? I'm just gonna go hide because I'm held. Oh, nah, man, get away from me. Oh, the radio. Did they kill yet? Is he the murderer? Like, no one's killing. Did I just hear? Sorry, I need to turn my volume up. Like, I can't really hear very much. Oh! Oh god, that gave me a heart attack. I literally passed right by him. I don't know how I didn't get killed. I'm traumatized. Oh, bro just got exposed. Bro's trying to plot the whole thing. How do I even say it? Custom item. What do I get? Choose any item. Get a variant of it with your name on it. Oh, that's cool. Chroma Halloween. Oh, god damn. Nicholas, take inspiration. He's asking if it's short or long. I pretty much make my videos. Oh, it's already minutes, so I do have to end it after this round. Someone just said yes, God. I think they don't like me recording. Also, guys, like and subscribe if you want to see a part 2. Basically, not even like unboxing, just basically trying to do a montage with this not only set but like combo. Don't worry about our head sticking out, just don't do it. Oh, bro got a cool. Bro's going on a full-on freaking killing spree. Nah, it's a furry. No, I'm sorry, but like, oh. So you have to cut that part out, guys. Like, my mom just came into the room at that second. I'm trying to search for the gun, but it's not anywhere near. Why is it not over here? Where is it? I want to just reset. Oh, I don't know. That was a big one. Where's that furry? Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Oh my god, I leech destroyed my other friend. Yes. The whole. No, you did not see me. Oh my god, I got stuck. Nah, you didn't see me, motherfucker. No, nah, y'all didn't see me. Nah, y'all just did it. Everything. Oh my god. Oh my everything. The god is over here. Stop. Anyways, guys, I'll have to end the video off here. So bye, and like and subscribe like I already said for another video. Bye.